Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best budget 3D printers under $500.
Starting at number 5.
Original Prusa Mini Plus. Although the Prusa Mini Plus is smaller than Prusa's flagship i3 Plus, it still delivers much of the same quality and versatility. Plus it's less expensive. So, you still get the same high-quality results when printing out objects. In some cases, you even get upgrades. For instance, Mini Plus also comes with a color LCD, which is easier to use than the i3 Insert a thumb drive with a compatible file, and the screen will show you a preview of your print. Then, just press the print button, and the machine goes on its way. It's very simple if you want it to be. This printer supports a ton of different printing materials, including PLA, PETG, ASA, ABS, PC, polycarbonate, CPE, PVA/BVOH, PVB, HIPS, CP, polypropylene, flex, NGen, nylon, woodfill, and other filled materials. The print head is also relatively fast, considering the size and price of this model. However, the i3 Plus is larger, allowing you to build slightly large project, and it's also compatible with many more materials than the Mini Plus is. But overall, the Mini provides excellent value for the money, which is why it's the best 3D printer overall for 3D printers under $500.
Coming at number 4.
ANYCUBIC Resin. Closing out our guide to the top 4 3D printer under $500 is the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono. Another resin 3D printer, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono balances affordability, ease of use, and quality print results into a package that oozes all-round value. Under the hood, you are eyeing up a 2K monochrome LCD, a roomy 165mm x 80mm x 130mm build volume, 51 microns XY resolution, and, as far as resin printers go, a reasonably self-contained 3D printing workstation that's simple to set up. Pull it out of the packaging, plug in the power cord, level the bed, and you can start churning out creations. As with other MSLA printers, layer cure times are impressively short, resulting in a much faster printing process overall. Unsurprisingly for a resin printer, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono stakes its claim as one of the best budget options when it comes to delicate, highly detailed print. It's not just the quality of the prints that stand out, but how much of the heavy lifting the Photon Mono, paired with the versatile Photon Workshop slicer, does on the user's behalf. Great prints require very little sustained preparation.
At number 3.
ELEGOO Resin 3D. If you have your eye on producing fine detail prints, for example, miniatures or elaborate showcase pieces, but are restricted by a $500 budget, then our money is on the ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro. Released as a successor to the excellent Mars Pro, the ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro follows its predecessor's footsteps with an all-in-one resin solution. Fitted with a 2K LCD screen, 50 micron XY resolution, and 129mm x 80mm x 160mm build volume, above the average for resin printers, the ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro ships as a pre-assembled unit, which when paired with the Chi2Box software, means almost instantaneous out-of-the-box usage. Aside from a straightforward bed leveling procedure, we can overstate how easy it is to use the ELEGOO Mars 2. Somewhat unusually for a resin printer, the print speeds offered by the ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro are surprisingly fast and easily dwarf competitor budget models and even pricier alternatives. The printer attains these speeds thanks to ELEGOO incorporating a monochrome LCD for the masking process, which drastically reduces the time it takes for the resin to harden up and cure. Compared to the previous Mars Pro, print times are more or less halved. As for the quality, the results are nothing short of remarkable for a sub-$500 printer, fine details, blemish-less surfaces, and excellent all-round quality.
Number 2 of my list.
Creality 3D Printer. If you are looking for a 3D printer capable of churning out large prints for under $500, then look no further than the Creality CR10 Mini. Although the Mini naming convention runs counter to what you'd expect, the Creality CR10 Mini offers a generous 300mm x 220mm x 300mm, which you'd typically find on much pricier models. It is nevertheless smaller than its namesake, the full-fat CR10. Besides the roomy print volume, the Creality CR10 Mini shines in other aspects. The build quality is more than respectable for an FDM printer, and, for the price, it even delivers excellent results when it comes to details. Other pluses include an auto-resume function in case of loss of power, a heated removable glass bed, sturdy build quality, and a simple overall design that lends itself to easy maintenance should you encounter any issues. While Creality advises the printer as suitable for a decent list of materials, it does hit roadblocks when it comes to the more erratic ones such as ABS. Print success varies greatly, so we'd suggest steering well clear of these. Another point worth considering is availability. The CR10's popularity means it tends to fly off the shelves, and to find one can sometimes be a little tricky.
And number 1.
Creality Ender 3. The Creality Ender 3 Pro makes our guide to the best 3D printer for under $500, for the excellent price-to-performance value on offer. Creality has been around since 2014, and they've injected each successive iteration of the Ender model with the know-how and expertise picked up along the way. The Creality Ender 3 Pro is a prime example of this and is, in fact, one of the latest upgrades to Creality's respected Ender lineup. The upgrades include a beefier power supply, better components, and a magnetic build surface, which work to offer a safer and more stable printer. The Creality Ender 3 Pro specifications include features you'd expect from pricier options, notably a fairly sizable build volume of 220mm x 220mm x 250mm, a power recovery mode, a heated bed, and a tight filament pathway. The results speak to this with superb quality prints for the price. As an FDM printer using standard 1.75mm filament, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is ideal for those that want to keep costs down moving forward.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.